Oliver, do it again. No, lick your balls again. You my boy. You my boy. You my boy. Say hi to Facebook. You want to be famous? No? Come over here if you want to be famous, Olive. Or you can lick yourself. That's great. Just don't lick your balls again. Very, very inappropriate. Especially in front of a girl. Again, his personal space. Watch. Oh! Oh my god. What are you looking at? Ew! I told you not to lick your balls in front of me. Oliver. Oliver. Yeah. You're so gross. You're gross. Fine, be a little bitch. My boy. I love you.